Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial on how to create a scroll section just like this. So we have our home, we have our about section, we have the blog section, and we have the work section. So I'll be taking you guys through on how to create a scroll section just like this on Framer. Right, let's dive into the video. You have to have your navigation ready. So we have our navigation here where we have a home section, we have work, we have about, and we have blog. So the first thing we're going to do is actually we are going to create a mainframe inside our dashboard. So after you create a mainframe, let me go back to layers and rename this main. Alright, so we're going to add a layer, or we're going to add a layout to our desktop, and we're going to set our desktop to actually fit content. Alright, that's good. So we're going to add a layer to our main frame as well, and we're going to set it to fill. So the next thing we're going to do is to remove the color or the fill on our mainframe, and here is where we start creating the sections inside our mainframe. So before we do that, first of all, we add a padding to our main, a top padding of 50, and I'll add a top padding for our desktop of 25. Oh, 24, yeah, 24 is good. Right, so let's start creating our section. So the first thing you want to do is to create a home section. You have your hero section. This will be any section you want it to be, your home section, your hero section, anything. So we have our hero section over here. So I'll give it a radius of 10, and I'll give this name this section 1. Right, I'll have a text in it, say home section 1. Right, this is good. So we are going to duplicate this, and we're going to set our main direction to vertical. We're going to set it to fit content. We're going to give it a gap of 30, yeah, or no, 50. 50 is good. Okay, so this will be the about, and we're going to change the color to something of this. This is too loud. Yeah, this is better. So we're going to duplicate. We're going to have something like this. And we're going to duplicate, and we're going to have something like this. Alright, so we have a 4 sections, so we're good to go. So we're going to name our sections. This will be blog, section 4. This will be okay, about, section 3, and this will be work, section 2. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is actually add your navigation in your frame. So we're going to add this outside the main frame of the desktop, and we're going to set this to fixed. Alright, I think this is good. Yeah, So for this, I think we'll reduce the color. All right, yeah, this is good. So the next thing you want to do is actually to add a scroll section to every of this section you have. So this is how we're going to identify each section with the navigation. So we add the first section to this. We mainly add the first section. This will be section one. We'll give it an offset of I think 24 or 74 rather. So we add the next section for this. This will be section two. So we add a section for this as well. Section three. Okay, give it an offset of 40. Give this an offset of 40. So we add the last scroll section, section 4, give an offset of 40. So yeah, so this is good. So on our main, I think I'm going to add a bottom padding of 50 as well. Alright, this is good to go. So you come to your navigation bar over here and you're going to link every of this to each of the sections. We're going to link the home, we're going to link the work, we're going to link the about, and we're going to link this blog section. So how you link it is that you go to the link section on each and you select the page you're currently on. We are currently on the scroll section and we're going to link this to section 1 and we're going to set the scroll to smooth because you don't want it to be instant. You don't want it to just appear on your screen. So we're going to link the rest. We're going to link the work to section 2, give it to smooth, the about section 3 and you give it a smooth, the blog to section 4 and give it smooth so. So this is it. Okay, let's view it and see what we have. Okay, so for the home, we are currently seeing the home. So for the home, you're currently seeing the home. When we click on about, it scrolls to the about section. When we click on the blog, it scrolls to the blog section. And when we click on the home, it goes back to the home section. So you can see it's working perfectly. Everything is working as smooth as possible. So you can use this for a real life project, whereas you have your hero section, you can have your work section, you can have your about section, and you can have a blog of, or any other section you want here. So you just have to put everything in a section and you just have to link it. So that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you.